Is your van haunted by ghosts or ghost letters, ghost writing? Its past has come back to haunt you, whether it was a delivery van, a tiling van. Does it still, miraculously, even though the stickers are gone, ghost out the letters? And you've tried everything to get rid of them. Every van that's had a life before would have had stickers on it. Here's the surefire way of how to get rid of the ghost on your van. Less than a 1 hour drive south from Brisbane, we'll end up at Main Beach, the Spit, on the Gold Coast, one of the northernmost beaches of the Gold Coast. This was a busy day at the Spit, but there was no problem getting a park up. Not even a park up on the water. It is so easy. There's kilometres and kilometres of parking, so you won't have a problem there. And it's safe. There's no signs about people's cars getting broken into or anything like that. You just got to make sure you read all the signs as far as staying there too long. You can spend the entire day there. You can have a ball, and there was that many vans there, and they were all enjoying it and going out, going for walks, going for surfs, going fishing, going diving, going on whale tours, you name it, you can do it. I was lucky enough to come across Scott down at the Spit, a fellow Vanlife Renault Master owner. Yeah, what do you think of Spit, Scott?
Great, mate. Yeah, well, we live around here anyway. We come down here all the time.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's top notch. Look at all the boats go past. And...
Oh, it's absolutely glorious.
Yeah.
What I couldn't get over is whoever designed all this concrete furniture or whatever. It's so well pointed and blends into the environment.
Yeah.
And no one's bothered putting any graffiti around here because it's too beautiful.
It's too beautiful, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the council just spent gazillions down here.
They obviously did.
Money well spent.
But they spent it well,
Yeah.
not like some of them wasted.
Yeah,
this was
yeah.
well spent.
Yeah, for sure. No, it's
Yeah.
great spot.
No, it's absolutely beautiful, eh?
Thanks, mate.
Yeah, well, I'm glad, I haven't been down here for years, and I was in the Southport Surf Club for a few years.
Yeah, right.
And it's so much different now. And it was nice before, don't get me wrong,
Yeah.
but now this is like being on a boat cruise when you walk out there.
It's top spot.
Yeah, the vantage points are awesome. Anyone can make their way to that point. And the surf, there's so many options.
Absolutely.
You can even paddle over to South Australia if you want.
Sure can, if that's what you want to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've noticed guys even get their tinnies, anchor them behind the brake, go for a surf, throw it back in, and
Yeah, they do.
there's heaps of them out there, empty tinnies.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. No, great spot. Welcome to another episode of Stay Awesome Van Life. This week, we catch up with a fellow van lifer who has exactly the same Renault Master 2016 mid-roof like mine. Let's see what we can do about that ghost lettering. Let's do an exorcism on the van. So here's a surefire way to get rid of ghost lettering on your van. Your van's past won't haunt you any longer. Scott, as a fellow Renault Master owner, 2016, I've had dramas with my paint with ghosting because mine used to be a tiler's van.
Yeah.
I think we've 120,000 on the clock,
Yeah.
but a lot of sun with those.
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
And yours looks perfect, but you were just telling me then that it wasn't.
Yeah. So what I found is I had city council logos here.
Yeah.
And the paint beneath them, where the stickers were, was just absolutely perfect. Everything else was really chalky.
Yeah.
So I was cutting it with a cut and polish.
Yeah.
But it wasn't really taking it off. It looked shiny for a couple of weeks and then it'd start to go dull again. So what I realised was it's just a cutting compound.
Yeah.
I used Maguire's cutting compound.
Yeah.
I buffed it all the way back, and just then it just come back like new. Just cutting.
From Maguire's cutting compound.
Yeah. So it's just oxidization on it.
So where'd you buy that from?
Just Super Tip Auto, something like that.
Oh,
Double
okay.
coat. It's literally just cutting compound.
Cutting compound.
Not cut and wax, not cut and polish.
No, none of that. But you obviously polish it after.
And then polish it after that.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. I
Brilliant! Because yours
really
looks
good.
perfect.
Yeah.
You know what? I'll be straight to Super Cheap Auto.
Yeah. Well, it's it's going to protect it anyway.
That's a great tip.
Yeah.
Oh, that's brilliant. I'm pretty happy with that.
Yeah.
Because I've been trying. Mine's got ghosting on it.
Yeah. Don't give it a whirl.
Yeah, I will. Thank you for that.
Cheers, mate.
Geez, we learned a lot today. I gave it a whirl and it worked. Absolutely magnificent. Now you've got plenty more surprises. Scott has some really good ideas about your finishing touches in your van. Mats, seat covers, you name it. I noticed your beautiful bloody sheepskin seat covers here for your Renault Master.
Yeah.
Absolutely glorious.
Yeah.
Where'd you get them from?
Got them from a company called Wild Ram.
Yeah.
They're here on the Gold Coast. They've been around for about 20 years, I reckon.
Yeah.
Don't quote me on that Wild Ram, but
Okay.
maybe longer. But we've got them on another car that we've had for about 12 years.
Yeah.
And they're almost like new.
So how much are they?
It's about $1,500.
Okay, I'll save up.
But you know.
Subscribe. I need some money for some seat covers. So you can see that Scott likes luxury items. He likes them finished well and of good quality.
You do get what you pay for.
I wouldn't be eating any meat pies while you're driving.
No, well, there's no sausage rolls in
No.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Really impressive, eh? Really impressive.
And I got the mats come.
Oh yeah.
The mats are about $120
And,
online as well. There's an
and it does the whole thing.
It's got the different colour trim.
And it does both sides.
Choose your trim. You can choose your
Yeah.
thread. So you can have red and black if you want.
Gee, really nice.
Yeah. I'll send you a link.
Yeah, okay, yeah, thanks for that.
Oh, so good.
Okay, all the viewers are going to love you. Thanks, Scott.
Thanks, buddy.
It's great how we can inspire each other and come up with new ideas and new concepts for exactly the same problems. It's absolutely magic. I like the way Vanlife works and travels. And have a look at how Scott's appointed his van. Really clean, smick, really high-end finishes. I really love it. And I sort of learn a bit from him there. Worry about the minor details too, not just the functional parts of your van. And stay awesome. Thanks for the interview too.
Absolutely right.
Thanks, Scott. Yes, don't forget to subscribe. There's another reminder. The only catch is, beware of lunatics on jet skis. I would be terrified as a diver here thinking about going to the surface. Have a look what's waiting for you. The Spit is the perfect van life day retreat. There's a curfew in place at 8 p.m. on the evening. If you're still there with your camper van, you're deemed as breaking the law, and the fine's about $600. So just make sure you're out of the curfew. And if you don't get out of curfew, they actually lock you in, and you've got to pay to get out. So just be warned. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hint, hint, hint. Like I said, there was plenty of vantage points on the Spit. As you walk out to the end of the pier, you just have that many spots where you can actually walk down to the water through a set of stairs that council's installed, or there's all those beautiful home furnishings made of concrete that actually work perfectly. It was a great spot. I couldn't get over it, how good it was and how easy it was. So there you go. It's just like a big rock wall. It goes out. It's safe. You can watch all the surfers warming up and out there having their surf. And there's a lot of artwork around, street art. And there we have the mega yachts there anchored in the boat harbour. I won't say who owns that one, but it's registered in Gibraltar. Even it's got an Australian flag on it. But anyway, that's another story. Stay awesome. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.
Hey you, stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome with the van life. Hey you, stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome with the van life. Hey, my name is Gary, and I'm a man with the freaking van. Got to stay awesome.